I've loved Burfi since I was a kid. The dessert made of milk in combination with sugar and cashew nuts has always been my favorite. When I grew up, I came to know that my favorite delicacy is so easy to make. Here, I'll show you how. Ingredients required are milk ½ liter, sugar a ball, lime 1, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, cardamom 1 to 2 powdered, ghee 2 to 3 tablespoons, cashew nuts a few roasted, raisins a few. Heat a heavy bottom pan under medium flame and pour in ½ liter of milk into it. Let the milk boil. Then squeeze 2 halves of lime to congeal the boiling milk. The milk reduces to about 1/4 of its original quantity. Now add in a ball of sugar and keep stirring. Care must be taken so that milk does not stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. Now let's add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence for flavor, along with a little of cardamom powder for additional flavor. Season your burfi with 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee along with roasted cashew nuts and raisins on the crust. Switch off the stove. Transfer the burfi onto a plate and flatten the surface with a ladle. When cooled, you may cut out the burfi in desired shape. For more such yummy recipes, do keep watching webindia123.com.